Okay, we're live. Oh, we had some nice moves in the market last night. Some big moves in the market last night. Pre-market, I did try to take some shorts. I got stopped out. It ran a little high. I was looking at some resistance up here. Thought we can probably get the pushback. But it did pull back, but it was too early. It ran a little higher and then pulled back. Then kept going. Double top. Pulled back some more. So right now, just looking at the 60. You could probably get that if we break 60. Get back down to 50 to 45 level. Wow, getting tongue twisted here. Yesterday's close was 68. That's some change. Trying to get all my charts up here. The 4-hour chart right here. For some reason, I think I'm missing a chart. Where is my chart? That's 1, that's 2, that's 3, that's 4, that's 5. It seems like I'm missing a chart somewhere for some reason. Look like we may try to come back in a little bit here. See what holds. We have a few levels here. This 53 to 55, 53 to 55 level. Had a nice run up off the lows on the 4-hour chart. We got this R pivot point of R1 plus right above it the 200 SMA moving average. So, but that's all the way up here at 66. Not all the way, but 66.86. Look at that pop. Let's look at the calendar for the day. Let's see what the calendar looks like. We go over to look at the calendar. Today is Friday, last trading day of the week, and today is Friday. All day we have IMF, International Monetary Fund meetings. That's basically it all day. No other news for the 12:15 FOMC member speaks. That's it, 12:15 and all day. So we got IMF meetings all day. IMF meetings are usually held twice a year and are attended by the representatives of IMF and the World Bank. Meetings are the World Bank, not the U.S. Bank, the World Bank. Control the money of the world. Meetings are open to the press, and the officials usually balk with reporters throughout the day. A formal statement covering policy shifts and meeting objectives is released after the meetings have concluded. Meeting objectives. What objectives they have for the world money is released after the meetings have concluded. Both the comments and statement can create market volatility. International Monetary Fund, not the U.S., not one country, International Monetary Fund. So we're in an international system. People love their countries, but it's all connected. It's all connected, man. All connected. Remember that. It's a world economy. It's a world game. This may go lower right here. This may go lower. I'm going to take
Order
it.
filled.
I shouldn't have taken it. Thought it was going to go lower. It looked like it was going to go lower. It looked like it was going to go lower. And guess what happened? Had a pop. Thought it may have a breakdown before the market opened. If it break a little bit more, I'm going to break even. Come on. It's not breaking down enough to even go break even. I like it on a 15-minute chart. Go break even now because I really don't want to lose, and I just want it to go. Come on, see if I can get to 4 points. Where we at 50, 54, 55 may be the line in the sand. 55 may be the line in the sand.
Stop filled.
Okay. Yeah, we got some support down here at 53 to 55. So had a nice bar on a 15-minute. I thought it may give a little push, just a little, but it didn't, and it may still go. This is the wild part. Look at this pop here. So I was looking at this pop as this 64 as a squeeze, maybe get some liquidity out here, over here, and just get a little push down, but nah, that's not the case. And then I was maybe a flat bottom break here. This is what I was also looking at, possible flat bottom break. So this pin and come and we just break down a little bit, but didn't happen. Still may happen. This how sometimes it goes down when it wants to drop, but they don't want you to go with it, and they'll pop, pull down a little bit, break a low, pop, break a low, pop, and you just can't really get in those trades on the break. You have to get in on the pop. You have to short the pops at certain levels, but we'll see how this goes. And there we go. It may look like it's one to go. And there it goes now. There it goes now. Maybe. See, this is where the weak, if you got a tight stop, you can get popped out, get stopped out. What time is it? It's 9:06. You see how they're playing around in here. If we can hold over 50, thought we might get to about 53. We following this little trend line here. Pardon. Pardon. Drinking this coffee. Over 60. Can we get back to 60, 67, 68? I'm gonna wait till the market open. Right now it's I'm gonna wait till the market open. Let's make a move. I don't want to get chopped up in here. Just don't. Let's wait till it makes a move, and see where it goes. See where it establishes some support or some resistance. Right now it's establishing higher support. This was support down here around the 40 area. Has resistance up here at the 56, 57. Broke that, now establishing a little higher support. So you'll see, try to catch it. Try to catch a, this was a nice trend breakout with continuation trade. $60 and a quarter. 60 and a quarter, 60, 50. Came down, consolidated, pop. Today, I'm looking at, I want to get over, if you can see, I want to get over this level, this pivot level, because look, we got some resistance up at 66 and up into the 78. So we can get above this 70, we got to like 73. So this 80 to 90 would be good. Trying to get in where I don't think I will be chopped out, and I can get a nice move above this pivot, maybe up into 90, from 80 to 90. Not sure if we'll break. See, I got two previous lines here to show that there's some resistance up in here. We sold off here, we sold off in this area before. I got in a little earlier. So we'll see what we do in this area. See how the market reacts to this area up here. I put my phone on vibrate, so if I get any calls that don't go off, my phone is loud. It's loud. We got this 4-hour bar. I'm gonna see this daily bar. We're down 4 points on a day, not much. We ran back up, but so this is the 240. This is not. This should be the daily. All right, on the daily, looking at the daily now. If we stay green for the day, the overnight open is 59.25. So we stay above 60. That's nice. But if we can get the close, the previous close is 68.75. So that's what I'm looking at. If we can get above 68.75, and we can get up to like 84, we can have a trade there also. We got some resistance at the 74. So we can get up past here and stay above where we might be able to get into the 80s towards the 90s up here if we can keep pushing. This is 80, so we got some resistance. Just close 80, we open 80. So this is where we looking. We at this high 72. So you got 8 points from 72 to 80. I'm only looking to get 40, but that may be, yeah, not a lot of room. Not a lot of room, but it may come to test the pivot. We'll see. And if it does it in the first 15 minutes, then it's going to be rough. It's a rough one. If we establish some support, we establish support here at 57. If we stay above 60 and establish some support at 60, we may just keep coming across and break out. Or we may come back down before we go up. Either way. If the daily bars, look how far it went down. We came all the way down to the low 71. And if we retest those lows today, if we come up and just keep coming down, we have a big shoulders, head, and the shoulders. And we break the shoulder, we have a long way down. We said if we stay over 60, we can see market go up. If we can see the market come back down into the 200 S1 or back to VWAP 66.26. The low here is 51.50. The low here is 66.32. And now looks like popped up, and now it looks like it may want to come down. That trade I was looking at earlier, may want to play out, or this whole support. It don't look like that on the 15-minute bar. It just looks like a pullback, maybe a bull flag or breakdown, but so much whip. so much whip here. Let's see if we can find a spot without too much whip here. And I'll show you what I mean. Let me see if I can change this. Well, not see if I can change. Let me change this to a 15-minute and I'll show you what I mean. Look at this. Whip here. We got both sides. Come down, come up, whip. Look at the wicks. Wicks up here, wicks down here. Wick, come down like it's gonna break. Wick up, come down. I want to take it above 60. I like this pattern bull flag. Right above 60 into 64, but look at the wicks. Look at the wicks. But look at the wicks. It's just nothing clean about this. Nothing clean about it. Low is 56. And we're still around the days open. I moved that. I don't know. Did I move that from maybe at 40? I'm gonna keep it there. But that 60 we can be in this range from 60 to 70. Right here, from 60 to 70. I'm gonna get out this range, this 60 to 70. Right here. This is the range we're in on a daily. We got this close at 68.75. We got the high of 72. And then we're just going over and under this bar. Open of 59.25. A little bit under 59.25. Then we're back over. Double bottom. Double bottom. That 60 could get 4 points, but it's we got the 62 here, and then we just got 65. It's like a tight range. Looks like you're making higher lows, and then this tested 3 times here. 67, 67, 67 and a quarter. So this 67 is going to be a resistance level. If we get and hold above 67, we get to 80. Well, even if we hold above 60, possible, but see what the market wants to do. See what the market wants to do. Market opens up in about 10 minutes. 10 minutes. 10 minutes. 10 minutes to get fresh your own. 6 minutes. Alright, so it didn't go here, it pulled back 60 to 64, just up in here. The market's about to open. Let me see, we got 6 minutes, 5 minutes. We got 5 minutes. And the market is consolidating in between this price range. Broke out this little trend line, pulled back, broke out again. Got a lower high though. This high is 67. Got a lower high here at 64. Has a lower high here at 64. Gonna move this. We could be going sideways if we're gonna go higher. If we want to get to 80, we would have to move over a little bit. Market's about to open. Alright, we're going to take our time and sit on our hands. We're going to be patient to see where the market wants to go when it opens up. 15 minute has a bull flag that's whipsawing. Just saw that right here. This 15 minutes is whipsawing, up, down, up, down. Not follow through and not having any follow through. But the market's about to open, so we'll see. Let the market show us. Let the market show us what it wants to do, where it wants to go. There we go. I took it short here earlier. Is it going to make the move on the open, or is it going to hold? I'm not taking the open. See, this is what happened here, and I thought it was going to go. I took it short. But market is open. No, not yet. It's 9:28. We still got 2 minutes. We still have 2 minutes. We still have 2 minute goals. So let's give it to this one here. We did tap this trend line once, twice, 3 times. We'll take this back to 240. Been holding the support down here. We'll see what happens. Let's see if it holds. Market is open. Let's see where it wants to go. First 15 minutes. It's gonna. Testing 50. If we're going down, I want to see it. Be back in this area here. Got to support at around 38.40. $61 so far. Open the range 61 high, 61 quarter, low 46. Be patient. Just be patient. Be patient. Be patient, be patient, be patient. No, horizontal line, didn't want a horizontal line. Rectangle. We're back in this range from earlier, so keep this here. Just try to extend it a little bit. We came into it, we coming back out of it, holding above it, this range. So far we only down 4 or 5 points from yesterday, and we're closing that. Look like we're closing that pretty fast. Looks like we're closing that pretty fast. $60 ran from 60 to 70. 69. Let's see what it's going to try to do. So we got his shoulders, head, and the shoulders break above 68.75, which would coincide with the daily chart. Let's see something. I didn't want to go to that though. 68.75 is the high. 68. Oh, it's 72 that. I mean, the previous day's close is 68.75, right? 68.75. That's the resistance. So if this is the shoulders, head, and the shoulders, and we break above right here to 68.75 to 68.90. 68.75 or 69.70. The low is 46.50. Looks like it may go 46.50. And I missed it. 46.50. The break is here. 66. 68.75. Let's see if it holds it. It's gonna hold it and go. Test the 80. The high is that 73. We back in this area. We back in here. We back in this area. Back in this resistance area. Sold out of there. Sold out of this area. $46. 65. That's 10 points. What did it go to? 78. So 65 to 75 is that 10 points. And then we sell off. Came down, broke up. And keep retesting. Point of control is 58. It's 58. And again, we're back. And again, we're back into this range. A lot of volatility. Gonna spread it out some. Get a little better view. We back at this 55, 56, but it's holding support here. Don't mean it's gonna keep holding, but it's holding support. May not. May get a run, a turnover, and test below this range. May get a run back to test 36. Look at this. Red daily chart. Let me see, the low one here is 32. We have a red daily chart, which is on the high end. It's holding up at the top of the range. It's trying to hold up at the top of the range. And then we got a green 4-hour bar, which I don't like. Well, not that I don't like, but I like to see the red and the daily and the 4-hour bar going in the same direction. Alright, we got cycle down, rotation down. got 2 minutes before the 15-minute bar opens up. Break it is 2. Break it is low. For 46 could bring us back down to 36 to retest this low on a daily, which is no, that's 93. Which one? No, my bad. This one. Low is 32. 32. This S1 and it's in the VWAP. That's the break, but let me see, this low is 43. I don't want to take this because it's support. It's also support. I'm not going to take it. I don't want to get chopped out here. Got 10 seconds to the next 15-minute bar opens up. To the next 15-minute bar opens up. If we get over 50, I'm going to take a long over 50. If we get over 50, if we get back over 50, we could still go short. Let me see, this high is 50.50. Just may stay short. Let me see. Before we go, we may go. I just don't want to trade in this area. I'm still thinking that they may try to keep pushing it up a little bit first before anything. See if it rolls over. See if it's over and under 200, the 200, or if it stays above the 200. Wants to roll over. Let's see. Got support down here, so if it get over 50, if it gets over 50, look at this, back and forth. It's gonna be rough, man. It's gonna be rough. It's gonna be a rough game. Sitting on my hands. Sitting on my hands. I want to see over 50 though. Look like we searching lower, and we get a pop over 50.
Order filled.
Let's see if 50 holds. Might have took it too prematurely. If it holds, I'm going to break even. If it holds, it goes. If it goes, we get 55.
Target filled.
Okay. Could have probably held it longer, but could have got it to 61, but got the 4 points. Okay, that was the trade I wanted, over 50. Could have took it to 60, but got the 4 points. Now I'm gonna sit on my hands a little bit because wait for the next 15-minute bar. And if we go from red to green on the daily chart, I think we may have a nice trade. Let's see where we want to go. Let's see where it wants to go. Stirring up my coffee. Well, the matcha in my coffee. Stirring it up right now. Stirring up the matcha in my coffee. Yeah, I'm a matcha type of guy. Maybe trying to hit this pivot. Maybe. At 80. But, you see, sell off, retest, sell off, retest, sell off at the 73. Sell off at the 73. This low was 59. Wow. I could have stayed there and trailed it. But with the volatility, that trail would have been crazy. Look at that. Look at that. Pop is going. Look at that. 1100. That's 1,000 contracts. Is it gonna 11,000 contracts at 69? Took some of it, absorbed some of it. Absorbed some of it. It's coming back. Let's go on. Oh, we red to green. We keep going red to green and then sell off. Let's see how this 73 reacts. I'm not going to short it here because we came down, got this liquidity here, and it may just push out, keep selling off here. Over and under previous day's close, 68.75. There we go to that 80. To the 80. To the 80. To that 80 pivot. Okay. Did we test it? We got 77. Didn't get 80 yet. To the 77. But usually it reaches it. Usually it reaches it. Usually it reaches it. Usually it'll hit the pivot. We hit it, went over 50. Next stop 67.29 over that 80. Now I don't want to, it's too stretched out here. I would want to see a pullback. I would want to see a pullback. We stretched out over here. Look at this. I would want to see a pullback. A pullback and consolidation or over this pivot, over this 80. I don't want to see over and under 80. Well, over under 80 is okay, but I want to see it hold. Or on the 15 minute, well, I see here, look, we got open close 91. So over the 80 we can get to that 91 possibly, but I don't want to keep chasing this run up. I want to see a little exhausting, maybe another rotation down and back up, but we can keep running. And if they squeeze, then shoulders, head, shoulders. If we went, we could go here, but 73. This is the low of 46. The low is 41.50. Then if we look at 71.30, so 67, 67.01. All right, so we got to hold 80 to get to 6,700. I don't know if it's still live streaming, but it's saying something with OBS is happening. So let me check it real quick. I'm gonna pull it up and see if it's strong. It's still on, still going. It's still going. Let me take it home. Let me see something. It's still, let's see, still strong. Next 15-minute bar would have been a nice short 80, but I want to see it come back. I want to see it come back and try it again. I want to see it come back and stay above this level and stay above the 71. Now I want to see it above 70, because we can get from 70 back to 80 I want to see it stay above, and then that's back here 68. Come back to test the previous day's open 68.75. Stay above 68.75 and above this high of a 71, 73, 70. This is 73, 71, 73 in this area. So we're back in here now. Will this become support? 68.75. We got 69.50. Pulling back because we got 10 seconds before the next 15-minute bar opens up, and the next 15-minute bar can come into some support and start to break back up higher. We'll see. We'll see what it wants to do. But look at this. There we go. And 10-hour and a 4-hour bar. It's 10 o'clock. 4-hour bar. The high is 66.50. Now we got to see if this is going to start to trend lower. So if it trends lower, 66.50. If it trends low, I want to see it come down, try to make a high, but doesn't make a higher high and roll over. If it goes long, I want to see it break that high to 66.50. But right now we're back in the red around the open and close. The open of 59.25. We back to 60. Back under 60 where I first took the long at. Don't know if we're going to break back into this low of 56. Don't know if we're going to hold 60. But with this, I don't want to take this bar right here. I want to see where what happens. See if it goes down or if it consolidates. I want to see a pattern. I don't want to just take 60. I want to see a pattern. Missed it. The open was 66. It just popped up. Okay, there we go. Holding this range here. I mean the top of this range of 56. It's good. So we can get rid of this and start going here. Now see, making higher high, lower high. Now, if we want to break above here, we may have to wait a little bit to consolidate in here, especially if we want to get to 67.26. May have to consolidate a little bit and bounce over here to at least get to 6,700. Okay, 70. Let's see if we can follow this. We came in, swept liquidity under here, came up, swept liquidity over here, back in this range. When do we have enough sellers getting squeezed out to go higher? I want to be on the side, on the opposite side of the people who's getting squeezed. That's where I want to be, on the opposite side of the people getting squeezed. Got, this is still 88. Yeah, got a lot of resistance up here. Even at 68 to 90 is gonna be it's gonna be rough up here. So let's see, we may just chug around here, consolidate, or come down, consolidate, if we're gonna go up and just to reach that 71. We're gonna hit some resistance on the trend line. Let me see. So 71 would be 6700 would be about 1023. If we're gonna try to get to 6700, 1030. That's if we get this. If we get there, it may happen that way. It may not. I'm just trying to read the market right now. Will it roll over? Will it roll over? We got a lower high here. So now we have like a wedge, and we got an uptrend. If we come across and break up, or we break down, we only up 1 point for the day, so 1 point for the day from previous day's close. Now we're going into the red. Over and under previous day's close. May just be going. Either break out or break up, but we got what's here, 74. Break down to we got 57. Gotta see where the market wants to go. Alright, we got this rotation down. But we made a high and we made a lower high. This is what we got here. We made this high, we made a lower high on the 4 hour. But we do have some resistance up here. In order to get past this resistance, we need to squeeze. We need some people to get squeezed out. Let's see, we have a 15-minute bar opened up in 3 minutes. So this may be a run up. And it's going without me. This high is 84.50. Two minutes before the next 15-minute bar opens up. We can get to 6,700 here. And it's running. And it's running to the 90. And it's going. Okay, we're at the top of the trend line. That trend line gonna break. Do we get to 67 here? I mean 6,700. We're in the squeeze. We're in the squeeze. Now I want gotta see, we got this 6,700. We had a run up, didn't spend too much time at the 80. Had to squeeze. When it goes like that and pops and just keeps going, I'm not gonna chase it. We back to the pivot, the 80 pivot, 84.50. If we still the main pivot, R1, but can you get the R1? Let's see, we're still in the uptrend. See, we have to pull back and get some more liquidity to push higher. Was this the high of the day? 97. Is 97 the high of the day? Or will we come back and move higher later?
Order filled.
I'm gonna see if I can see if this to move back up. Let's see if it is, or if, okay, I'm gonna move to break even.
Stop fill. filled.
Ah, stop filled. It's going, but it's shaking a little bit. Okay, lower high. Is it consolidating here? Made a lower high here. Let's see. We're still in the uptrend though. 1, 2. He's still holding this uptrend. This 80 is the level. This pivot. I'm not trading it here. Maybe trying to go over and under 80. Our bar low is 56. We still haven't tested 6,700. Don't mean we have to, but now we in another uptrend pennant like we had over here, and it broke out. Broke this in. May go sideways, but we got rejected at 85. $15-minute bar is heavy. You're back in value area also below 86. So we got a chance, 80% chance of retesting back at 36 if we don't get higher. I hope that 80 was it. Gotta be careful because the swing is so big. My stop is only 2-point stop loss, so have to be careful. Is it 10:30 yet? Said about 10:30 is where we may reach the 6,700. Have to slide over a little bit. Slide over a little bit to break up, if we're gonna break up, just to test 6,700. Don't mean we will. Up, going green, red, green, red. Just gotta be careful in here. Getting rejected here. That's 88.90. So above 90 we may go. If we see above 90, it may go 90 to 60, 90 to 6,700. The low on here is 80.25. Don't want to prematurely enter, because they'll dump it. As soon as you think you're going to go, they'll dump it. It'll shake. As soon as you think it's going to break that 90, and it'll roll over and dump down to 68. Next 15-minute bars in 2 minutes. Now, if it don't dump and it hold above 80, and then it go and start to break 90, that's bullish. That's strong. If we can get a it's holding up over 80, but it can also roll over. Right now the support area is 80, the 80 level. Okay, lower high, making a lower high here, but we still haven't broken this trend line. We still haven't broken this trend line. If we break this 80 in this trend line, I'm gonna take this short, which is yeah, it's counter trend. It would be counter trend. It looks like it's getting a little, if it not just getting a little weak, but if it breaks the 80 in the trend line, I'm gonna take a short, which may be detrimental, but I'm gonna go ahead and take it. Let me see. It got to break the trend line. Has to break the trend line, like the 79.50.
Okay.
Order filled.
Okay, let's see. I'm in to see if we get the, may hold support, may hold some type of support here. I'm just trying to see if it get a, nope, if it get a drop or if it's gonna be support. Come on. If it's holding up, look like it's holding up. Is it holding up or is it going? Come on. Okay. It may go. No. No. Look like it's holding up. Okay. Look like it may be holding up. We still in the uptrend for the day. And it'll stop us out and then turn around and dump. Alright. Can't see it, but look like I'm gonna get stopped out. It's not a dump.
Stop filled.
Okay. And then it'll go. And then it'll go. And then we go. And then we go. And then we go. And away we go. I'm still going. Back into this area. 70. And there we go. There we go. Stop me out. Stop me out. And then start and go. Then made the move. Okay, we got a red 4-hour bar. That was the rollover. Stop me out before I can get the move. I am 660, 66.60. Then we come back down to 66.60. Do we go to retest the lows? Not the lows, but low 66.56. Slowly grind it down, popping up, down, popping up. Looks like we're going lower. open at 60. We haven't broken 60. Then we back between the 60 and the 68. We get back above 70. All right, above 70. It might run and keep running as soon as you get above them. Let's see if that 70 holds. Alright, we got a small move off of, well not small, but got to sell off the got a lot of support here at this 57, 58. If we break it, we can come back down to like the 47. The 66.60. We have a 15-minute bar opening up in now. They open. Again, now we just hanging around. Point of control, which is at 60. Right now it's 65. If you look, we got 200 moving average here, double bottom of the moving average. We got 80 above, so we're in between this 60 and 70. Right now we're just in between the 60 and 70. Keep getting rejected at the 70. Yo, bottom 71 in this 72 area. Do we come down, consolidate, and break up, or do we come down, consolidate, and break down? If I can get it.
Order filled.
Let's see. Like to move possibly up. Been bullish, so let's see. Can we see? Try to pull it open. I'm gonna move my stop to break even, just in case it don't run. Let's see if we can get to 70. I mean 77. Where we at? About here. I'm gonna add another position.
Order filled.
I'm gonna move to break even and see if we can get it run up. See if we can get the run. It's a little high.
Stop filled.
Nope. Didn't get it. A little early. Trying to get up to the 80. What, 77? I was at what, 77? I'm not gonna reload. See, I was just rejecting up here. I'm not gonna reload at 70. Let me see it get above 80 and hold. I want to see it above 80. This looks pretty resistant up here. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. The 70 to 80 would be the best because it's here. This 80 to 90 is a little, looks like it's gonna be a little challenging resistance up there. Is this a shakeout bar? See how this bar shook out and then it started to move up? This could be a shakeout bar, and the next bar be green, and just break above that. Got 75. Are we gonna hold 70 or break it? Pardon me. 68.75. We over under previous day's close. Okay, looks like we're gonna break that. When are we looking to get back to 46? For all purposes, we're still in an uptrend. We're still in an uptrend for the day. I'm bullish because we're still in an uptrend. We're still in an uptrend.
Order filled.
See if we can see if this the move. No. See if this is the move to 80. 77.25. See if we can get to 77.25. I'm not gonna add this time. Oh, my break even. Where's my break even? I didn't get to move my break even. Come on. Let's go.
Stop fill.
Nope. What did I get? 74. I didn't take my 74. Another lower high. I'm looking, trying to get these moves high. My moves are 4 points, but I'm trying to get, you know, get those 10 points. It moves when I'm not in it, and then it. But we got lower highs here. I'm wondering if it's taking these pops to sell off. Get this liquidity over here, come up and starts to sell off. This 65 is a support level. Will it come below low of 56? It was over and under 70. It's been over under 70. Okay, looks like we may get a sell-off here. Look like we may get a sell-off below the 200, which is 60. Let's see. Let's see. I'm gonna get a pull back in the
Order filled.
I'm gonna get a pull back in a dump lower. Come on. Come on. Keep going. 47. Nope. We on this support level. We dipped in, but we're gonna come back out this level. Over and under 200 maybe. Trying to see if we get to 47. Nah, it's not today. Come on. Nah, it's in the uptrend that's bullish. It's getting all these shorts out. It's bullish today. It is bullish. And it's holding. But if it do crack, we can get to VWAP. I'm just trying to get the VWAP. That's it. I just want to get the VWAP. That's all. VWAP is at 47. It's not going. This how it does me down here. VWAP is at 47. VWAP is at 40. At 49. I'm moving to break even now. I'm moving to break even. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. 49. 49. Let's go. Oh, we about to get taken out. About to get taken out.
Stop filled.
I'm reaching. I'm reaching. I have a right to, but just looking for this 49 right above VWAP. Right above VWAP. And there we go. And there we go. And there we go. $51.50. What did it come to? 52. Keep moving this. So are we following this trend line down and go lower, or do we go higher? That is the question. Back over 200. Got 1,000 at 67. Back 1,000 at 67.
Order filled.
Do we go up, or is this the short? Or we buying support, resistance? Am I buying resistance right here? Break even? We'll see.
Stop filled.
Try to get a pop, but nope. No cigar.
Order filled.
Try one more again. I want to move to break even. Come on. Nope, not going. It's over and under this 70.
Stop filled.
70 may be being resistance now. Just over and under 70. Just got to be patient. Be patient. Be patient. It's over and under 70.
Order
Again.
filled.
Move this break even. Come on.
Stop filled.
70 is resistance. And will it go? Now it goes. Over and under 7. And now it goes without me. Shoulders, head, shoulders. The break. We got the low. 52. 76. Points. 67.08, something like that. It's not doing it cleanly. Let's take some of these off to clear up. See what's going on. It's just in between 60 and 70, 60 and 80, 20 point move, but we just here.
Order filled.
Do we go? Is this the go? The gap and go. The 67 and go. Is it the go to the 80? No, it isn't. It isn't again. It isn't again. And I'm in at 68. I'm below 70, and it says no. I should be here, but alright, so I'm done for the day. That's it. It's not happening. That 70 is now holding around here. It's just chopping me out. That 70 has been chopping me out. We back in this area down here. Actually, if it breaks VWAP, if it breaks 50, got another bar, 50-minute bar opening up. Yeah. You know, 1 minute. Our low is 52. If we break VWAP, let's see if we can get to 35. If we VWAP is 50. 66.50 is a support level, major support level like that. So here's VWAP. You might bounce off of VWAP. You might bounce off of 50. I'm gonna take a bounce, see if we get a bounce off of 50. See if we get a bounce. How much of a bounce, I don't know.
Stop filled.
We got a little bounce. Got a little bounce. But if we break, I'm gonna take it. If we break VWAP, make an announcement, nice bounce off of VWAP. High 55. I'm gonna take this bounce that I get. No, I didn't. Okay, little cup and handle. Little cup and handle. If we break VWAP this time, opened up above VWAP. Holding VWAP. Holding VWAP. Okay. Do we get it bounce back up? Okay. Low is 48. So if we come back down to 48, I'll take it.
Order submitted.
If it breaks the low again, I want to see, keep moving, but right now.
Order filled.
Okay. Nope. Over and under VWAP. Over under VWAP. Look at this. Over. Okay, I'm out. That's it for the day. I can't catch it. I can't catch it. I can't catch it. Can't catch it. Lord went to 56. It's over and under VWAP. $46. Over 50, I'm going long. If it gets back over 50, this over and under VWAP, but
Order filled.
trying to get 30, 32. $47, trying to get to 32. It's just trying to see if it break down. And if it break, nope.
Stop fill.
Okay. That's it. I'm out. Let me go. Just not working for me today. Getting chopped out all over the place. Getting chopped out all over the place. Alright, I'm going out today. See y'all Monday. This Friday has just been a toll on me. And it's going to, look at that. It's just chopping me out and then going to keep going. So my entry just not, look, got chopped out in here. And it's going. But it's going to go down, up and down. So I'm going for the day. I'm not trying to be here and get chopped out like I have been.